Today we are going to see what is wrap. This body we created in our last lecture, so we will see how to use the command of wrap. Select this face, this sketch, draw one oblong, okay. Now exit from this plane and select wrap. Wrap. Now there are three types: emboss, deboss and scribe. You have to first select the plane where you want to wrap. Select this place. We selected this face. Thickness is up to you. Whatever thickness you want. 2 milli, okay. Select OK. See, it's going to be wrapped outside on particular area only. We can edit it. Change thickness 4 mm. See, it's going to be a wrap. Edit it. And you can select deboss. Deboss means it will go inside. Let's say 3 milli. Select OK. So see, it goes inside. Our thickness is more, that's why it cuts the whole portion. Select only 2 mm. OK. Now see, it goes inside. Now again we will see edit feature, scribe. In scribe it will show you only the boundary. See, it is showing only the boundary, scribe. So this is called scribe. So this is the wrap. It is also a useful tool in SolidWorks. We will see in our coming tutorial and lecture how to use this wrap. Thanks for watching.